Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. It's a very fun game. If you've watched my video, this elevator is not normal. Then you'll know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, go check it out. So I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4 because it's by far my favorite. But there are a bunch of others up to Don't Press the Button Ultimate. But the numbered ones are 1 through 7. So if you spawn in the middle of a challenge, then you will be teleported to the top. You will be teleported up here, which also happens if you die. So I'm gonna try and grab this ring right here. And basically how the game goes is so if you press the button, then you will if you press the button, then something really fun will happen. Usually it's really fun. It's like usually it's really fun, but sometimes it can just be flat out weird. And I had 7, so if I got 2 more rings, I would have just won. Oh, I love this one. It's kind of like Crossy Road. It's kind of like Crossy Road, but less rage quitty. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! I knew that was gonna happen. See? It's kind of like Crossy Road. Yes, I made it! Oh, how did I make it? Oh, yes, how did I make it? Oh, no! Oh, yeah. Yeah, forgot about that. Forgot about that. Oh, I forgot about that. Be the first one to find and press the button. Who found it? So, the game's a lot of fun. There are a lot of rip-off versions of the game, too. Oh, no! No! Oh, yes! Oh. Oh! Oh! I'm pushing you off. I'm gonna push you off. Oh! Oh! Oh, no! I was so close. And it even revoked our blow dryer privileges. Oh, right, yeah. Forgot about that. Even though it just happened. Oh, no, seriously. I love the tsunami one. I love the tsunami one, but of course, I just had to do that. And I think I broke the game, because there is one challenge where you have to get the Bloxy Colas to survive. And guess what I have down here in my little hotbar? Some Bloxy Cola. So, oh, yes, I love this one. It's hard, but it's fun. Oh, yes, I made it. And out from under, because if you're under it, it'll kill you. It'll still kill you. See? But, yeah, so quick shout out to my 2 friends, Cruz and Sawyer. They have their own channels too, Dynamite143 and Void Time. Go check them out, like and subscribe. Do the same for my channel. And yeah. It's raining bombs. I don't want to get hit by one, so I'm just gonna keep running around. I am not using that Tabasco sauce. Oh, I am not using the Tabasco sauce anymore. Phew. Oh, phew. That was so close. That bomb. Oh, no. Oh, no. 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 Well, I got 10 coins. Oh, that person is sinking in the lava. I feel so bad for him. He just sank in the lava. I feel so bad for him. No! Seriously? Oh, no! There are literally 2 people left. I'm just going to use my Tabasco. It would have been really helpful in red light, green light. In red light, green light. Because in green light, I could have just gone Migo Zoom! With the Tabasco sauce. Could have just gone Migo Zoom. 6 seconds to find the building with light. Found it. Oh no! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! I just made it. I just made that one. Oh, I can just stay in here. Just want to work. Easy. Same again. Yes, I don't have to go anywhere. Yes, I don't have to go anywhere. This is gonna be so easy. This is gonna be so easy. So easy. Oh, by the way, our like goal for this video is 1 whole like. I know, insane, right? How are we ever gonna get there? Well, if you like and subscribe, maybe we could. Yes, the banana peel. No, I fell off. But I have something that's perfect for this, aka a banana peel. It's absolutely perfect for something like this. What I always do is I place it at the end, so someone will, like, if they're near the edge, they'll slip off. They'll slip on the banana peel and slip off. Perfect timing, yes! There we go, someone's coming. Oh, come on, person. Slip on the banana peel. Please slip on it. It's okay, dude. Oh, what? No, I don't want to buy the gravity coil. The crazy thing is, I only have 9 Robux. Nope, that wasn't the correct pad. Nope. It's really hard. I don't know why, but it's so hard. Oh, I thought I had the correct pad. There. I don't know who found it, but someone did. Click the door. I'm clicking the door. I'm clicking the door. What? What? Oh, right, yeah. And that is our time. Bye-bye. Sorry. Hey Siri, stop. And that is our time. Catch you on the flip side.